of the content to cash challenge. You're watching this video after you have created your content for day one. And if you have not, just go back, complete your content, and get back to this video. So, yesterday we learned about how you can announce to the world that you are taking up this challenge that is going to help you to stay accountable. And the alternate option. So, the first strategy that I gave you was the Netflix strategy, which is going to keep your audience engaged. We used an effect called as seismic effect, wherein it's an open loop. So the person is going to be, be very curious about you as a person. Were you able to complete the challenge or not? And there was an alternate option which I gave you, wherein you are sharing a value post. The context for this particular challenge is we are not just going to aim to get more eyeballs, but we are aiming to impact lives. So, yesterday, since we were short of time, I could not complete every aspect of the content that needs to be covered. So, I'll go into the detail of that, right? So, give me a minute. I'll quickly share my screen. So, I hope my screen is visible to all of you now, right? So, let me tell you guys, for your content, okay, there are three parts of your content. The first part is the hook that you are using, right? You are starting with something which grabs the attention, and that is called as hook. Now, there are many types of hook. There is a visual hook, right? There is audio hook, like what you speak, right, which is a audio hook. Plus there can be also environmental hook. Now I will go into detailing of this in the coming days, right? So that is your hook. Then we are going to add value through your content, and then finally we are going to ask them to take an action. Now, yesterday, remember, I asked all of you guys that are you clear about your funnel? How many of you remember that I had asked about this? So, let me just, because your call to action that you are giving is all to get people inside your funnel, right? You're creating content because, let me show you guys. Okay. Now, okay. Now you're creating this content with the goal of acquiring clients. You also want to be consistent with creating videos, but the main goal is to acquire clients as well, right? Because just producing content, you're going to get tired about it. So we also want money in the bank. We want cash. So if you want clients, you need to have two funnels. Okay. The one funnel is which is a pre funnel, wherein you're giving them value for free. And then another funnel is a paid funnel. Okay. Now, when so each time in your content, I told you there are three parts to your content, which is your hook, your excuse my handwriting. So it's your hook, your value, and then your action, which is also called as CTA, the action that you are asking them to take. Now, whenever you are asking them to take an action, it has to be towards your free product or something that you're offering for free, or it could be towards your paid thing. Now, I hope each one of you who is joined for this challenge, you have this figured out. And if not, I will walk you through it very quickly so that you know about it. Now, another thing that I wanted to talk about is your funnel. Now, remember what is a funnel? A funnel is something like this, wherein you first grab people's attention, right? And that is through your content, you will be grabbing their attention. After grabbing their attention, so this is called as your top of funnel. Once you have grabbed their attention, you will be getting them into middle of your funnel, and then it is bottom of the funnel. Now, top of funnel is when they discover you or through your content on Instagram, on YouTube. Middle of funnel is, so let me give you an example so that you understand it better. So all of you saw my ad and you registered for it and you became a part of my community. That is top of the funnel. Okay. Now for all of you, all those people, so there are so many people in my community, but some of you decided to be part of this challenge, which is middle of funnel. Okay. And now some of you who are part of this challenge, who has been associated with me from quite some time, you have also enrolled in some other programs of mine, and all those people are bottom of funnel. Okay. So our goal through our content has to be converting people from top of funnel to middle of funnel. So first get them in on top of your funnel and then also get them in the middle of funnel. Okay. Are you able to hear me? Is it clear?